Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Umpa Candace. In today's video, we are going to be looking at yet another great platform in which you can utilize to generate yourself some extra income. But before that, if you are new to the channel or happen to be viewing this video for the first time, I share content on how to make money online. And if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, leaving a comment below, and giving this video a thumbs up. But of course, you need to watch until the end of the video to see if it deserves a like. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Today, we are going to be looking at this particular platform. It has been around for quite some time. Sorry. Here it says it has rewarded over $5 million since 2012. So it is a legit app that has been around for quite some time. Some of the things that you can expect to do in this platform is participate in contests, and you can earn yourself 50,000 points instantly when you participate in this contest. This platform is available for download on your iOS, on App Store, and also Android on Google Play. You can also earn points by completing surveys. So it says here, earn points by sharing your opinion with us, answer questions, and get paid. There are some great offers that you can look into, like cashback. So you shop at your favorite store and earn thousands of dollars in cashback. So these are the stores that you can expect to get your cashback from: Walmart, GameStop, Microsoft, and many more. You can also participate in offers like this one, where you have to play free games and earn points by just testing apps. Like here it says, try the app for a few minutes and you will be credited. So you just download an app for a few minutes and just see how it works, and then you will be credited for that. You can also earn points by sharing this website or platform with your friends and family. So it says here, share this platform with your friends and family and get 50% every time your friends earn points. And you will get this 50% for life if your friend will be using the platform for quite a long time. You can also expect to redeem your points with awesome rewards like your Amazon gift cards, your PayPal, your App Store gift cards, your PlayStation gift cards, and you can convert your points to Bitcoin. So that's how great this platform is. I'm super excited to be sharing it with you guys. You can also expect to see what people have said about this platform. It has a 4.0 star rating, and also engage with this platform on your social media pages like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The name of the platform that I'm talking about is Future Points. This is how their homepage looks like. It is available for download also on App Store and Google Play, but you can participate in surveys just using their website, coming to their website and participating in surveys. The sign up process is quite simple. You simply come here and sign up or log in. If you are not a member, you simply put in your email address and click this green button that says sign up now. But because I'm already a member, I'm just going to log into my account and click the green. After logging in, I'm directed to a page like this one. Here is where you see live activities of people that have completed surveys, offers. You can also see their countries, so you can just look into that. And here is where you get your link to invite friends. You simply come here where it says share now and earn. You click there, you will get your referral link. This is where you get an email for them to send you a link for you to download the app into your phone. So they will send you a link for your Android and also for your iOS. Here you can share videos, costume videos that you have created to share with your friends and invite them to your app. And then as you scroll down, this is where you complete your surveys. You can complete surveys from Pollfish, and then you can also click there to complete surveys into different platforms. You can also scroll down and complete offers. So you can come here and complete offers in review. You can earn up to 2,000 points, and then you can also click here where it says more offers and get more offers right there. So we're going to look at some of the ways in which you can also earn. You can earn by coming to the contest. They have a contest that you can participate in. Every time you earn 20 points, you earn one token, and with this token, you can enter a contest between these two. So if you want a token where you will get $5, they only need one token, so you can participate in that, and they only need two tokens if ever you want the $100 prize. And then you can just scroll down and see their terms and condition, and also see previous winners. And you can come here to the gift and see if your region is available for you to claim or claim rewards in gift. So my region is not available for me to claim rewards in gift, but I know in the US, the UK, Canada, and some other countries, they are able to claim gifts as their redemption. And then as I scroll down, I just want to show you their cash out threshold for their different PayPal payouts. And for $5, you only need 3,000 points for you to cash out $5 in PayPal, and $10 you need 6,000 points for you to cash out $10 in PayPal, and then you can just look onto the other prices. And then for Bitcoin, I know you only need 6,000 points for you to cash out $10 in Bitcoin. And then for you to cash out $10 in Bitcoin, you need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have a Coinbase account, you simply come there and sign up here for a Coinbase account. I have already accumulated their cash out threshold in points. So I just want to show you guys that sometimes you won't be able to cash out because there are pending points that need to be reviewed before you can cash out. So I've got a number of pending points. I've got 1,446 points that are pending, and my available balance in points is 1,701. So I won't be able to cash out my $5 because I've got pending points, and there is a time where these points will be available. So they'll just show you the remaining days that the points will be available. So you just need to be patient with this app. That's the only drawback about this app, is that you need to wait for pending points to be available in your account. Other than that, this app is quite user friendly. You can invite your friends and some points. You can engage with them in social media pages. It's just quite a great app for you to actually participate in. You can get the link down on the description box, and then you can also look into other similar survey platforms that you can participate in using the link down on the description box. Enough have been said, guys. Thank you for watching.